Now, a milestone birthday celebration this weekend for a Montgomery County family hard hit during the pandemic and the lockdown. Health reporter Stephanie Stahl joining us now with a follow-up on this.
Can you believe it's been 5 years ago?
I cannot believe it.
I know, like yesterday or 100 years ago, right?
Yeah.
You know, it was 5 years ago. COVID was spreading fast and a sweeping lockdown followed. Hospitals filled with patients were closed to visitors, and that included one family forced to separate from their newborn twins.
These girls are warriors. They had just overcome every obstacle that's been thrown at them.
Twins Danica and Quinlan Stankovic are celebrating their birthday 5 years after being born, just after the start of the pandemic.
All the different scenarios were running through my head. It was horrible.
It was February 2020. The babies were healthy but premature, weighing about 3 pounds each, and in the NICU at Einstein Montgomery Hospital.
They called us and told us we couldn't come back, that the hospital had been on full lockdown.
We first talked to the Eagleville family in the spring of 2020 after they'd been separated from the twins for over a month.
It's just heartbreaking. My world shattered.
Now, 5 years later, the parents vividly remember that difficult time as the deadly coronavirus was sweeping through hospitals.
We're just terrified. We're like, what if they're so little? You know, they don't have an immune system yet.
I didn't really know what to do, honestly.
They say it was the nurses who became invaluable on FaceTime with the babies and more.
They were able to take some pictures and they would update us with pictures.
The nurses provided this album when the twins were finally released.
Sit, Daddy.
Now the girls are happy playing with a new puppy and their older brother.
The fact that we made it to 5 years when we didn't even think we would see them again.
And now it's all about togetherness.
It's been fantastic seeing them grow, and you know, they're twins, but they have such distinct personalities, as you can see. So it's just wonderful having them.
And the twins will be starting kindergarten in September. The parents grateful they were so well cared for during the separation. Yeah. You know, nurses saved so many families and people, putting relatives together on FaceTime, taking pictures. Our heroes.
Amazing. It's so good to see them now back together.
And the twins are great.
Yeah, they're adorable. Thank you, Steph.